it can become a religious war on which tool to pick.
Right.
And
But
I try to avoid religious wars. Um, Huge religious wars in the IDE, which IDE should be the standard in our development group, and it depends on what you're developing. But which version control tool are we going to use? Are we going to go GitHub or GitLab?
yeah,
Back in the days,
but to make the decision for all that, you have an underlying cultural problem that
mhm.
you should probably work on first.
Yeah. How do you organize your teams? Is the software developer going to be the one responsible for creating a CI/CD pipeline, or is it? Are you going to stand up an application or a software development tool group? Which is one of the things I started out as specializing in. In the 90s, I started forming software development tool organizations at different companies. And then that's why I spun out my own company to do just that. And then we got, quickly embedded in things like Atlassian and GitLab and GitHub for that. But who's in charge of creating this? Often software definitely is very invested in what you set up and how you set it up,
Yeah.
how you maintain it. You
But
really should be
most of
doing
the
infrastructure
time,
code for all
right.
this.
But most of the time, it's your IT department that has to maintain it after it's been set up.
Sometimes, and usually IT departments don't want anything to do with applications. They're like, yeah, we'll take care of the servers and maybe the network if you're lucky, maybe the mail server and like DNS and stuff. But when it comes to software development applications, most IT departments want a divorce from
They
that.
want to wash their hands from that
They want
problem.
to wash their hands.